Storage devices, HDD versus SSD. Beginner level, introduction. Storage devices are used to store data permanently in a computer. They keep operating system applications, files, documents, videos, images. Unlike RAM, storage is non-volatile, meaning data is mahfuz even when the computer is turned off. The two main types of storage devices are HDD, hard disk drive, SSD, solid-state drive. This topic helps beginners understand what storage devices are, differences between HDD and SSD, how they affect performance, which one to choose. What are storage devices? Storage devices are hardware components used to store data permanently. In simple words, storage equals where your files and data are saved. A beginner view includes stores operating system, saves user data, keeps applications, retains data after power off. Why storage devices are important? Storage is essential because it saves all your files, stores programs and OS, preserves data permanently, supports system boot, enables long-term data access. Without storage, no data can be saved, no operating system can run, computer becomes unusable. Types of storage devices, type description. HDD, mechanical storage using spinning disks. SSD, electronic storage using flash memory. HDD, hard disk drive. HDD is a traditional storage device that uses spinning disks, platters. Features: mechanical parts, larger storage capacity, lower cost, slower performance. Example: storage type. HDD speed, slow. Capacity, 2 terabytes. SSD, solid-state drive. SSD is a modern storage device that uses flash memory, no moving parts. Features: very fast, no mechanical parts. More reliable, higher cost. Example: storage type equals SSD. Speed equals fast. Capacity, 1 terabyte. HDD versus SSD comparison. Feature: HDD, SSD. Speed, slow, very fast. Technology, mechanical, electronic. Durability, less, moving parts, more durable. Noise, noisy, silent. Cost, cheaper, more expensive. How storage works. Step 1, save data. File equals mydocument.txt. Step 2, storage equals file. Step 3, retrieve data. Print storage. Example of storage representation. Storage device equals type SSD, capacity 1 terabyte, speed high. Performance example: if storage device type equals SSD, print fast boot time, else print slow boot time. Storage is like a library. HDD means old library with manual searching. SSD means digital library with instant access. Use cases: HDD is good for large storage, movies, backups, budget systems. SSD is good for operating system, gaming, fast applications, programming. Many systems use both. Setup equals SSD, OS and apps, HDD, files and backups. Full menu-based storage simulation. Python. Def save file. File equals input, enter file name. Print, file saved. Def load file. File equals input, enter file name. Print, file loaded. While true, print. N1 save file. Print. 2 load file. Print. 3 exit. Choice equals input, enter choice. If choice equals 1, save file. Elif choice equals 2, load file. Elif choice equals 3, break. Else, print invalid choice. Concepts learned from storage devices. Column: data storage. HDD versus SSD differences. Storage performance impact. Data saving and retrieval. System boot role. Ways to improve knowledge. Upgrade HDD to SSD. Compare NVMe versus SATA SSD. Learn file systems, NTFS, ext4. Measure disk speed. Explore cloud storage. Common mistakes beginners make. SA Thinking storage equals RAM. SA, choosing only capacity over speed. SA, ignoring SSD benefits. SA, not backing up data. SD, using slow HDD for OS. Where storage devices are used. Storage devices are used in computers and laptops, servers, smartphones, data centers, gaming systems, cloud systems. Simple definition. Storage devices. Hardware used to store data permanently in a computer system. Final summary. Storage devices are essential for saving and accessing data. HDD offers. Check. Large capacity, low cost. SSD offers. High speed, better performance. Understanding storage helps you improve system speed, manage data efficiently, choose the right hardware.